One of the very first things that you notice with Verbena is they did a really good job outlining some of the kind of longer term outcomes and benefits of using the app, right? Things like connection, healing, these things are all great, but they're not necessarily things that create a concrete mental model in our head of what this product is for. So it says, hello, welcome to Verbena, the video sharing app. So great that they're calling out video sharing for healing and connection. This is where I would, in order to improve something like this, definitely aim to make the benefits a little bit more concrete. One of the fundamental insights from all of the research is that people don't actually want to connect. People, despite being super optimistic in a number of different areas, we all think that we're going to win the lottery, right? When it comes to social connection, on the reverse side, people tend to be pretty pessimistic. Insurance is something that people don't think about until something bad has happened. And we call it the hurricane effect or the flood effect, right? So right after a flood, people are much more likely to purchase insurance relative to people that haven't had that recent experience. Some things that may be helpful here, it's actually two principles really working together. One is more around the messenger effect, which is the idea that where the information comes from matters to us. So if it was coming from my friend or somebody that I perceive to be similar to myself. And the second principle at play is something called identifiable victim effect, which is the idea that we're much more likely to listen and to engage with messages about one individual relative to a statistic. Here, there's not really a lot of examples. It's an opportunity to create the mental model and to help people understand what the concrete benefits are, right? Getting insurance feels so vague. I don't really even know, even in the long term, what the benefits might be if I were to actually sign up and something bad does happen in the future.